YouTubers, what's up? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today I want to talk about something pretty cool. It's winter right now and everyone's out skiing at the ski resorts. Now let's say, for example, unfortunately it's not snowing for a long period of time. Well, that's bad for business for these ski resorts. So what do you think they do? Do they just wait until it snows? Do they call other states and have snow shipped in? Or do they just close their doors and lose all their seasonal revenue? The answers to those questions are no. What they do is they create their own snow. So what we want to do is get in an airplane and fly over these ski resorts during the exact time they are running their snow machines and creating this large amount of snow.